What is going on, guys? Welcome back. As always, we are back in the garage about to get some more work done. We are going to finish up the first gen, get this thing done, take this thing for a rip, get some test drives in, finish tuning this pump so we don't have it run away on us. It's still hanging just a little bit, but first we do have our new coolant pipe in. Adam got this thing knocked out, already here from California. Huge thank you to him. So we are actually going to test fit this first thing. This is his coolant kit. It actually came with, you know, nice vibrant boots and really nice beefed up, I wouldn't even consider these hose clamps. These are like heavy duty hose clamps. So super nice, complete kit. I thought it was actually just a pipe, but comes with all of the nice boots. We're actually going to test fit this thing real quick, show you guys what it looks like, and then I know some of you guys are gonna hate it, some of you guys are gonna love it, but we are actually going to powder coat this. I'll let you guys ponder about if it's gonna go black or gold, but we are gonna take away this polished look. I don't know if there's anything even in this whole garage that's polished, but huge thank you to him. The other thing we did pick up, that we actually still gotta wrap up a couple odds and ends. The intercooler pipe is over there that has been painted. We gotta basically put the whole truck back together, and I'm talking like a mile a minute. We have to actually, I forgot that we got our longer CalTrack bars in for the first gen as well. So I went and ran and grabbed another jam nut for this Heim joint. So we got to throw the Heim joints back in, get that buttoned up. But our man Tom is out here. He's going to give us a hand finishing this thing up, wrapping this thing up. And we are finally going to take this thing, and hopefully this thing will be good. Hopefully the drive pressure gauge will be good. But anyway, let's throw this in first. That way when our man comes to pick this up, we are good to go. All right, so there she is, just loosely installed, nothing clamped, nothing really situated perfect. I gotta actually hold this back, otherwise our rad is still not fully bolted in because the intercooler bolts that go through there are not on there. But there she is. She looks a ton better than what it is. So fits good, looks good. Heck of a lot better than that rubber hose. We are gonna take this off now so we can get that coated, and we'll be able to fill this thing up with coolant. He's gonna knock that out the same day, so we'll be able to grab that and finish putting that on tomorrow. Alrighty guys, complete list is fully done, well, minus the heat wrap, but hood stack pipe is on, everything is tight, turbo to manifold is tight. I actually forgot about that before I went ahead and put everything else on, but everything is tight. Got the new intercooler pipe on. She looks just beautiful. Got the new CalTrack bars on. They are tight, they are adjusted. We had to swap them out just for a little bit longer ones, but we are good to go. We are ready to back this thing out, and we can start retuning this thing, and hopefully this thing will be ripping by the end here in a couple of minutes. So that is where we were at. Alrighty boys, we are all buttoned up here. Got the GoPros on. We are gonna go for our first test drive here with the new turbo. We got her tuned up, ready to roll. That was 50 PSI. How much throttle was that, Floyd? No. About 50 PSI and like 40 drive. Drive pressure gauge is all of a sudden working again. Alrighty, boys, we are back. Hey, by the way, don't mind the zip tie on the windshield wipers. I keep forgetting that we have to fix that. But first test drive, major success here. We actually pulled back into the shop. We're gonna mess with the star wheel on here, mess with some pre-boost stuff, and then take it back out again. But so far, so good. It's actually driving really well. Hits 50 pounds of boost like it's absolutely nothing. And the drive pressure is good. We seem to be good in check, and everything seems to be good.
Did your heater box melt at all anymore?
No, I think we're good. We're close. We're close, but close doesn't count. So we're good. The drive pressure gauge is working again, so 2 thumbs up. We're pretty much well on the way to be. We're taking this thing to the track soon. Dyno track very soon. All right, so we're just gonna adjust this. We'll go back out on test drive number 2. Alrighty guys, we are back. It is 8 o'clock and this thing is an animal. So we found out that we definitely need to shift it sooner than what Greg's delayed reaction time is doing. Definitely needs to be shifted a little bit sooner. We are definitely pulling all of the fuel out of this thing as possible. Next step is getting this thing on the dyno, getting this thing on the track. We are going to pull off the hood stack pipe and get that thing wrapped. The clamp was not kind of tight and it did skew our hood stack pipe here, and it gave the fan box just a little bit more custom molding action going on, but nothing too bad there. But everything's good, everything's awesome. I'm so pumped. Tom's the man. And the drive pressure gauge, like I said, is working, and everything. I mean, she's ready for action. Put me in, coach. She's coming off the bench. She's going right into action. Hopefully this 350,000 mile motor holds up to some abuse, but we are going to just drive this thing now and have tons of fun. So we're gonna get this thing cooled off. She's still a little hot, but once she cools down, we're gonna wrap this thing up, put it back on the truck, and we're good. Bye, Tom. Tom's getting saucy on the way out. Alrighty guys, we are wrapped up. Literally wrapped up. The heat wrap is on. It is done. Beautiful as always. So we are good. I think pretty much everything except for the wiper bushings is done. This thing's ready to roll. Alright guys, that is pretty much going to wrap up this video. So incredibly happy. First gen is ready to go, ready to rip. I just want to drive that thing, just beat the crap out of it everywhere we go. So it's going to be awesome. I'm pumped. The shocks actually did come in for the 05. So from here on out, it is 05 all the time until this thing is running, heat cycle, retorqued, ready to go. I kind of just wanted to not bounce back and forth between the two, just knock that out, now knock this out. That was the plan. So that's the plan. That's the plan. So I'm just happy. I'm just happy. So that's gonna do it, guys. Thank you guys so much. Hit that like button before you leave. Subscribe if you have not already. I'll see you tomorrow.